Hi there, I'm going to show you something, which is why I'm up close and personal today, around my lip line, okay? Now, if you'll notice, I don't have any lines forming around my lips. I've got a little bit of pooching and, right here. But I would say I noticed a couple of years ago, I was getting some crepiness around my mouth area here and up here, and my lips were starting to kind of go in like this, like kind of that little, not poochy, but just kind of shrinking and sinking into themselves, okay? And I've always had fairly decent lips, nothing, amazing, internet amazing or anything like that with all the, that they put in there. But I was going to let you know how I'm doing that. And I started microneedling a few years ago. That's amazing for the lip area, amazing. So get yourself a little microneedler and work that all over your face, but definitely your lip area, especially if you're finding those lines forming. I started doing the microcurrent treatment and really concentrating on around the lips and using a really highly active product when I do those treatments as well. And in addition to that, I'm using my red light therapy, and that is, I'm just holding it on each side, center, around here, down here on the chin area, up here, and each one of those is 2 to 3 minutes, so you can watch a TV show or something while you're doing it, and that is really helping me redefine the area around my lips. Now, I'm not talking in injection duck lips. I'm talking about restoring the collagen that you used to have, so you own it. I'm a big fan of talking about owning your collagen and not renting it. You can go rent filler, and you can rent lineless skin, and you can rent big lips, and you can rent all of those things at a dermatologist for $600, $1,000, and you can go pay that every 6 months, once a year, whatever, and that's great. That's immediate. You're going to get those results. If you want to restore what's naturally there, what you used to have, and you want to own it, no going to the doctor, no renting it. You can enhance it a little bit if you want to, but you own it. Use these systems, the microcurrent, the red light, and the microneedling. And in addition, if you really want to boost it up, use a very high-end, highly active product in addition to natural and organic skincare. I really like the Neogenesis line. That's what I have started using, and it's got stem cells in it and a lot of really active things that you're not going to find at a drugstore, department store. No hyped up celebrity products, nothing like that. This is, high level professional skincare. And so if you can introduce something like that, it's a little pricier, but the results you get are worth it. You're going to spend 3-4 times as much on some crappy drugstore product that doesn't work. And trust me, I've tried practically everything, and I know what works and what doesn't. There are some good products on the market you can get at the health food store, the drugstore, whatever, but you got to be real picky and choosy. I really like the Neogenesis line. I really like to use an oil. I just pretty much cut creams out of my regimen completely, and I use oils now to hydrate my skin, and you just kind of press those lightly in over your actives. Those are amazing for hydration, dehydration, aging skin, wrinkles, and amazing glow too. Very, very nice glow that you get with your skin. So those are a few little tips and tricks I thought I'd share with you, a little about the lip area. And you can do that, of course, in the eye area, the forehead, whatever it is that you need to really sort of rebuild your collagen so you own it. Thanks for watching.